Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return ITR 1 online. We will go through each step, ensuring a smooth and accurate submission. Filing your taxes can seem daunting, but with a clear guide, it becomes straightforward. This process is designed to be user-friendly, helping you meet your tax obligations efficiently. We will cover everything from document preparation to final submission. Before you begin, ensure you have all your essential documents at hand. This includes your permanent account number, also known as PAN, and your ITR card. You will also need your bank account details, including the IFS code. For salaried individuals, Form 16 from your employer is crucial. Additionally, gather information on any interest income from savings accounts or fixed deposits. Now, let's navigate the e-filing portal. First, log in using your registered user ID and password. Once logged in, select the appropriate assessment year and choose ITR Form 1. Carefully fill in your personal information and all income details, such as salary and interest. The portal often pre-fills some data. Review this carefully and make any necessary corrections to ensure accuracy. The final step involves verifying and submitting your return. You have several e-verification options, such as using an ITR one-time password or through net banking. It is vital to double-check all the information one last time before clicking the Submit button. After successful submission, remember to download and save your acknowledgement receipt, also known as ITRV, for your future records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.